Welcome back to Bike Hub, the home of everything with wheels and a whole lot of power. Today, we're diving into something that feels like a time machine on wheels, the brand new 2025 Ford Model T. Yes, you heard that right. The car that started it all over a century ago has been reimagined for the future. But this isn't your great-grandfather's Model T. This is a bold, electric, AI-powered rebirth of an automotive legend. So buckle up, because this is not just a story about a car, it's a journey through time, innovation, and the soul of the American auto industry. A historic comeback. Let's rewind just a little. The original Ford Model T, first released in 1908, revolutionized the automotive world. It was affordable, reliable, and built for the masses, not just the wealthy elite. Fast forward to 2025, Ford is paying homage to its roots with a stunning reinterpretation of the Model T, bringing retro style and modern tech together in a way we've never seen before. The idea? Celebrate heritage while building something that resonates with today's world, eco-conscious, tech-savvy, and sleek. Design. At first glance, the 2025 Model T looks like a tribute, but on closer inspection, it's a design masterpiece. You get the classic upright silhouette, the exposed wheels, and a modernized grille that nods to the original radiator. But the materials? 100% futuristic. The body panels are made from recycled carbon fiber. The chassis is an ultra-lightweight aluminum alloy. And those iconic round headlamps? They're now matrix LED smart lights that adjust based on traffic and weather conditions. There's even a glass roof option for those who want a more premium, open-sky vibe. This Model T isn't stuck in the past, it's inspired by it. Powertrain. Under the hood, well, under the floor now, you'll find a dual-motor electric powertrain pushing out a surprisingly zippy 280 horsepower. That might not sound like much by muscle car standards, but remember, the car weighs under 3,200 pounds. This thing moves 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.5 seconds. Range, up to 310 miles on a single charge. Fast charging capable, 20% to 80% in just 18 minutes. This isn't a drag racer, it's a daily driver with soul. Smooth, responsive, and eerily silent, the 2025 Model T is all about electric simplicity with retro charm. Interior. Now let's talk cabin. Ford didn't just throw in tech for the sake of it, they created an interior that feels like stepping into the future while still holding on to the past. Inside, you're greeted by a wood-grain dashboard that echoes the original. A 14-inch floating touchscreen powered by Ford SWNC5. Voice-activated controls, AI-powered driving assistant, and over-the-air updates. The seating is a blend of sustainable leather alternatives and classic stitching. And yes, it's got both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus wireless charging, a digital instrument cluster, and 5G connectivity. It's all very clean, very zen, and very driver-focused. Safety, built for today's roads. In 1908, safety was just holding on tight. In 2025, Ford's bringing everything from its top-tier lineup to make sure the new Model T is as safe as it is stylish. We're talking Ford Co-Pilot 362.0, Adaptive Cruise Control, Lane Keeping Assist, Automatic Emergency Braking, Full 360-degree camera system. The Model T also features Level 3 autonomous driving, making it one of the most accessible self-driving cars in the industry. It can park itself, handle traffic jams, and even recommend alternate routes in real time based on traffic and weather. Trims and options. The 2025 Model T will be available in 3 trims. Model T Classic, basic trim with all the essentials. Model T Retro Plus, adds comfort upgrades, leather-style seats, chrome details. Model T Future Line, full package with autonomous features, glass roof, and advanced battery tech. And yes, Ford will be offering it in heritage colors. Detroit Black. Steel blue. Vintage beige. Heritage green. Pricing starts at $32,000, with the top trim pushing close to $42,000, making it surprisingly affordable in today's EV market. Why now? Why the Model T? So why bring back the Model T now? According to Ford's CEO, this is more than just a nostalgia project, it's a statement. A statement that even in a future filled with electric hypercars and AI-powered SUVs, there's room to celebrate where it all began. And with the EV market booming, Ford sees this as the perfect entry-level electric vehicle, offering young buyers a piece of history, without sacrificing modern expectations. It's not a gimmick. It's a vision. Public reaction, shock, awe, and love. Social media is blowing up. From car enthusiasts to tech influencers, the 2025 Model T is turning heads. Some call it the cyberpunk Model T. Others say it's the most beautiful EV of the decade. There's even a growing online community forming around custom modifications for the Model T. Bringing back that DIY spirit that made the original so legendary. From slammed stances to retro decals, it's already becoming a canvas for automotive artists. Driving experience. Test drivers are calling the new Model T surprisingly spirited. The instant torque, tight turning radius, and almost non-existent cabin noise make it a joy to drive. It's not about insane speeds, it's about sensation. It feels alive, like you're connected to something more than just machinery. And that's exactly what the original Model T was about, freedom. Now, it's freedom, upgraded. Future outlook. Rumor has it Ford may be testing waters for a retro-modern series, with whispers of a new Thunderbird and even a Mustang Mach-1 EV reboot. If the Model T succeeds, and early pre-orders suggest it will, this could be the beginning of a golden era of heritage-inspired innovation. Could we be entering an age where the past powers the future? Ford certainly thinks so. Final thoughts. So, what do we think of the 2025 Ford Model T? Honestly, it's brilliant. Ford has taken one of the most iconic vehicles in automotive history and reimagined it, not just for the modern driver, but for the modern dreamer. It's not just about specs or screens. It's about emotion, identity, and legacy. If you're looking for an EV with character, heritage, and soul, you might have just found it. Outro, subscribe for more. That's a wrap for today's deep dive into the 2025 Ford Model T. What do you think about this retrofuturistic comeback? Would you drive one? Or is Ford dreaming too big? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next big drop in the world of wheels, right here on Bike Hub. See you in the next video.